In this video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to use CV Meet as the meeting location for your appointments. CV Meet is our native video and audio communication tool that comes right out of the box with your CoachVantage account. On the calendar page, you'll notice an Add button. Select that and then select the client you wish to have the appointment with, select the appointment name, and over here on the location dropdown, you will notice that CV Meet is listed as an option. Select that. There is nothing for you or your clients to install or download to use CV Meet. It comes right out of the box with your CoachVantage account. Next, select your start and end time for your appointment, and then select Save to send out the meeting notification. You'll notice here that the appointment is created in your calendar along with the CV Meet meeting link that's listed right over here. And if I hop over to my dashboard, I will also see that the CV Meet link is on my dashboard as well. And now I can just easily click on the link to start my meeting. Before doing that, let's head over to see what the email is that the client has received. This is the email notification that the client has received with the appointment details. And you can also see here that the meeting link is available for the client to click on to get into the CV Meet application. Let's click on that to launch the CV Meet application right now. This is what the CV Meet application looks like to the client. They'll be able to enter their name and they will be placed on hold here until you as the coach join CV Meet and admit the client into the meeting. Let's take a look at how that's done now. Now back to my own account as a coach, I'm going to select this link and click on it to launch CV Meet. And I'm going to click on Join Meeting. And now I'm in the CV Meet application. CV Meet will prompt you that your client wants to join the meeting, so you can click on Allow to let the client into the meeting. Now, once the client has joined, you can also decide to record sessions by clicking on Start Recording over here. And when you click on Start Recording, you'll notice that a starting recording icon shows up. And then once the meeting is recording, you'll be notified that the recording has started. Now I'm going to stop the recording and I'm going to end the call. And let's head back to our dashboard. Over on the contact side, if I go to Annie Brighton, I will be able to go to Sessions and I can see that my session has been created as well with the meeting link. And if I hop on over to my resource library, I will see a tab here called CV Meet Recordings. And any meeting recordings that have been saved will be saved directly to my CoachVantage account in this tab over here. This is unlike other tools that you might be using, such as Zoom, where you'll need to go to the Zoom application in order to retrieve your call recordings. With CV Meet, you'll be able to have access to your call recordings right from within your account, and you will be able to also share your meeting recordings with your clients right from over here. You can select with one or with multiple clients or contacts. It's really up to you. And then click on the Share Recording button in order to share the meeting recording. There's also a global setting with CV Meet handy. Hop on over to My Settings, where you will see the Comms and Notifications tab. And there is a setting here which will allow you to always share CV Meet calls with clients immediately once the recording is ready. This means that if I have recorded a session and once I have completed the recording, CoachVantage will automatically send an email to the client to let them know that the call recording is ready for them to view. The call recording will also be saved in the client portal for them to access. You can also go back to your CV Meet recordings over here. And if you were to click on any of these meetings over here, it will immediately play back the meeting so that you can watch it directly from your account as well. In addition to using CV Meet as your meeting location for appointments that you set up with individual clients, you can also use CV Meet as the meeting location for any of your coaching programs that you set up. For example, if I have set up my one-on-one coaching programs, I can go to the program location on the program information step and select CV Meet as my program location, which means that whenever a client self-books, they will also receive the CV Meet meeting URL in the email. Similarly, I can use CV Meet as a location for my online appointment booking page as well. Over here, you'll see that I've selected CV Meet as the event location, and whenever a client books an appointment, they will also receive an email with the CV Meet meeting link. If you hop on over to the subscription page, you will see a section here called CV Meet. CV Meet has call time allowances and cloud storage allowances that are provided to you out of the box with your CoachVantage subscription. If you wish to purchase more call time, you can easily do so by selecting Get More Call Time as an add-on to purchase additional call time hours and even additional cloud storage data as well. For full details of your plan allowances, you can visit our help base and take a look at the call time allowances that's provided, as well as the cloud storage allowances that's provided for the Clarity and AHA plans. I hope that was helpful, and happy coaching.